Morning, children. In science, we started our new lesson number 8. Animals' life continues. So, first you listen what we studied in this lesson. All living organisms, after taking birth, live on the earth for a certain period of time. They complete their life cycle and die. The time period from birth to death of an organism is called lifespan. It is a time to the birth to death. So every organism live on their time period. Some organisms live for few days, some live for a few months, and some live for a many years. And they reproduce their own kind. All living organisms give birth of their young ones during their lifetime. The process by which a living organism gives birth to its young one is called reproduction. So the reproduction in animals in two ways. First one is by giving birth to their young ones, and second one by laying eggs. So the example, the giving birth of their young ones is anybody? Dog, cat, tiger, etc. Female animals give birth to their babies and feed them with their milk. Such animals are called mammals. Mammals have hair on their body. Tigers, lions, cats, dog and humans are common example of mammals. Parental care. Care means mammals mostly take care of their babies. Their babies are developed and nourished in the mother's womb. The process of development ranges from a few weeks to several weeks. The mother feeds her babies and keeps them warm. She protects them from enemies and take care of their babies till they grow, eat food and walk independently. So the young ones are brought up with the great care and love. Second one is animals that lay eggs. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs. They are called egg laying animals. Example is birds, frogs, fishes, lizards, snakes, turtles, mosquitoes, and butterflies reproduce by laying eggs. See children, book. So birds lay eggs, all of you know. Take a hen's egg and a clean saucer. Break the hard outer covering of the egg called eggshell. So this is called a eggshell. Carefully pour the inner contents in the saucer and observe. So you will find a transparent slippery substance that is called albumen, white color. So it is transparent and slippery. So it is called albumen. The yellow semi-solid ball-like structure inside the albumen is called egg yolk. Yellow one is egg yolk. The yolk contains an embryo. So in this they contain embryo. The growing baby inside an egg is called an embryo. A yolk provides stored food for the growing embryo. So who give food for the embryo? Yolk. So from yolk only it will get the food. The embryo develops into a chick when the mother birds sit on the egg to keep it warm. So after giving the egg continue, the hen sit the egg for 20 or 21 days. They keep the warmth to the egg. After sitting on the egg to keep it warm, It will break the egg one by one. After about 3 weeks, the chick comes out breaking the shell. This is called hatching. The chick then grows into an adult. All these stages of development make up the life cycle. So it takes 3 steps. After giving the egg will, after 3 weeks, the chick will come out, and after the 3 months it will be grow an adult. So the chick then grows into an adult. All these stages of development make up the life cycle. Now see children, frog. Life cycle of frog. First you listen to me. The life cycle of a frog consists of 3 stages: egg, larva and adult. As a frog grows, it moves through these stages in a process known as metamorphosis. So, it moves through these stages in the process known as metamorphosis. So, what do you mean by metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is a big word that means changing from one form into another. So, it will be take time to change one form into another. These animals look very different as the babies than the parents, which is one way that frogs, snake differ. Frogs are amphibians, which means that they can live in water or on land. They grow through several stages of life before they become adult frogs. And during these stages, they live only in water, because when the frog is small, after coming from the egg, it will live only in water. A frog being's life is a fertilized egg. A female frog lays a lot of eggs at one time in a pond. So the female frog, fish, they all will give lot of eggs. But from all eggs the frog will not come out, or fish. Some are eaten by big fish. So a female frog lays a lot of eggs at one time in a pond. The eggs float on water in a jelly, mass or a cluster. The eggs will soon hatch into tadpoles. When tadpole hatches, it looks more like a fish than a frog. So, when the tadpole hatches, it will look like a fish. It does not have any legs. It has a gills that allow it to breathe under water. So the tadpole swims, eats plants and algae from the water and grows from several weeks. So the tadpole swim and can eat the small insects from the water and grows for a several weeks. Adult frog, the frog's tail will eventually disappear completely. After some days, it will be disappear. And it will start to eat insect instead of plants from the water. So the young frog will grow for about 2 to 4 years to become an adult. The adult frogs then lay their eggs and more tadpoles hatch and begin the cycle again. So now you see the book, children. Frog. Frogs breed in the rainy season in water bodies like ponds. A frog lays a large number of black colored eggs called spawns. So it will give a large number of eggs and the color is black. It is called spawns. The eggs develop into tiny fish like tadpoles. The tadpoles swim in water like tiny fishes. They have gills to breathe. They breathe from the gills. After some day, the tail of a tadpole disappears. Finally, a tadpole develops into an adult frog. This process of transformation is called metamorphosis. So, a frog has three phases in its life cycle. So, first one is egg, then tadpole, then adult frog.